if you can only do one walk, then this will be as good as any, I would suggest. Welcome. Are you tired of paying £8 for your car parking space in the Lake District? Do you want to go on a walk that will take less than 2 hours, give you great views, the whole Lake District, Lake Windermere, with a free car park, where there's no crowds? Well, this is the walk for you. It's at Gummers How. That's the summit you can see there. You get a rocky climb up. There's usually very few people here. Today I'm the only person. If you've got little time to go hiking, maybe the weather's not brilliant on the main mountains, then this may be the walk for you. So the car park is just back there. You walk up the hill, find the sign on your left hand side, then head up the hill, which you can clearly see. This will literally take about an hour or something like that. 2 hours tops, depending on how long you want to spend at the top. It's through here. Gummers Hoe. Lovely pine forest. Lovely fresh air. Sometimes it's just nice just to take it easy and take it all in. It's only a few hours I'm actually going to be here. So just try and take it all in. Haven't got to do 20-mile hike every time. So it's 8:30 in the morning. It is early, but I've got the whole hill to myself as far as I'm aware, which is quite nice, isn't it? Which you wouldn't get on the other ones. There's lots of hills with maybe not the highest mountain, maybe the 10th highest mountain or the 20th highest mountain, where nobody goes because it doesn't have the hashtag. This is still quite a climb. It's 3 cows on the top, and they must be really hungry. This is what it's all about, isn't it? The Lake District and the view of the lakes. And over there we've got a bit of blue sky. Look at that, Mr. Blue Sky. Just looking back towards the Pennines, I can see the trig point. It's a much better walk than I expected, especially if you haven't got much time. You can be up and down here in a couple of hours, no problem. And then here it is. It's that moment, the final push for the summit. And here it is. This is the one everyone does. Now, there's nobody around. Low wind. What do you think comes next? You guessed it. You could sit down here, get the whole view of Windermere. So you must come down this side, otherwise you don't really see the whole view. So I really recommend you try this walk. You might not have much time, avoid the crowds. I'm sure it gets busy at some times of the year here, but At least today there's nobody here, only me, nobody in the car park. So it's worth a try if you want to miss the tourist hotspots. Maybe get out for a couple of hours. Come up here, Gunners Hoe, and get this amazing view of Windermere and all the surrounding Lake District. If you can only do one walk, then this will be as good as any, I would suggest. That's this little walk over. So thanks for watching this one, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye for now.